So I hope that all of you are doing great. In this video, we are going to discuss the community's Go High Level snapshot, and you are going to get this snapshot. And before that, I'm going to describe you how this snapshot works. Basically, it has done for you funnel. It has done for you the marketing automation. Marketing automation is the core part of the snapshot, which decides what email to be. Here is the marketing snapshot. I mean, the workflow snapshots. Uh, Communities appointment, communities automation, the new sales booking, long-term nurture. So basically it is super amazing. Now the reason I really worked hard to get it, and I paid a lot of amounts, and I'm going to ensure that you get this snapshot. And yes, it is not a clickbait, you are going to get it for free. There are free ways, and then like four free ways where you can get it, and then the fifth one is the paid way if you cannot afford to do that for free ways. It's an easy one, it is not going to charge you anything. But like when I try to find out the community snapshot for the Go High Level, literally like they were selling for probably $1,500, $1,200, and I believe that, I mean, the community doesn't need to pay all that amount. Of course somebody is going to make a huge amount of profit out of that, but I don't want, uh, I want you guys to get the best of the deal. So first of all, as you can see within this snapshot, you have, let's say this is the funnel, which I'm going to describe you. Then these are the like the workflows. As you can see, let's say the communities automation. If I just click, as you can see, free test community email, free test SMS, paid test email, paid test SMS. What are the sequence of things that is going to happen? Just to quickly show you, like let's say the free test communities. Let me just open it. And then I'm going to quickly, first of all, show you the ways that you can get it. And then I'm going to detail describe the entire snapshot. So here you have like basically if the access is granted to any particular member, this is the trigger. Basically, it is being said if you click onto it, you will be finding the access granted. Then the SMS will be sent as a welcome member that, hey, welcome. Automatically, these things are going to happen. Hi, you welcome to the group. We are excited and stuff. And then wait for 7 days and hey, welcome. Get the most out of the group. Join the weekly chats and stuff. And then free resource. So basically, you can customize it as per your thing. Let's say you wanted to offer certain things, ask them to go through certain funnels, so you can just edit the SMS. This is just for the SMS. You even have the email and then the paid ones as well, right? Paid test community email, paid test community uh, uh, nurture. And this is just one of the automation. Then the appointment part, if somebody books the appointment, the set of a snapshot, I mean, sorry, the workflows are predefined. And similarly, the funnel is built for you funnel, basically, which enables people to join your community. Just ensure that more and more number of people join your community. Let me just quickly open it. So as you can see, join our free community for the ideal client looking for the outcome and receive a bonus or incentive for joining the community. Inside the community, you'll get the free weekly live streams, 5-day XYZ channel, XYZ business growth. So you can basically edit it to what you are actually offering. Basically, if you are, let's say, not offering these things, other things, you can, you want to replace the image with yours or any other image. So it is there. Like, yes, I want to join. Somebody just like clicks onto the, like you get the lead with this opt-in page, and then the next page they are actually able to join the group. Basically set up your free account, and then this is a two-step this thing. Now let's go come outcome of the community. So basically this is the funnel that you would want. A simple funnel is supposed to be simple, and you can get in as many people as you want, and the magic happens within these workflows when the email sequences, SMS sequences, nurturing, sale, everything is covered. Now, how do you get this snapshot? Like before I describe you more about the snapshot, like individual things we are going to see, you can get it as I promised, like the freeways. All you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. I'll put it onto the screen. There will be pop up onto the screen. You can see the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshot. The moment that you go, this is the place where all the ways are given. As you can see, this is just a quick testimonial I gave. And for the people who are signing up, like using the first or the second or the third option, the sign up or the upgrade for the Go High Level, you will be getting even more, like one-to-one personal support if you want, and completely free. So this is the first way. You sign up for the 30-day free trial of Go High Level, and that's it. Like, let us handle the bonus. We are going to send you not just this community snapshot, 127 snapshots we are going to deliver you, which even includes a community snapshot, and then one-to-one personal setup by our Go High Level expert. That's included. So just sign up for the 30-day using this link. Click this link, sign up for the 30 days. Email us at abdullah@abdullahzai.com. And even if you don't email, like we are going to just send you, just to quicken up the process, just email us at abdullah@abdullahzai.com. The email is written onto the website itself. But let's say you already have the Go High Level account. What is the other option left for you? The second option is upgrade to the $297 plan. You click on this link, a new window will open, a form will be there where you just need to enter your name, relationship number, and affiliate ID will be auto populated if you click this link. So you just click upgrade, and system will upgrade, like people will upgrade you, and we will ensure that you get all the bonus, including this community snapshot. Like community snapshot is just one of the snapshot. You're going to get 127 snapshot. The third option, you can upgrade to the $497 plan. Click on this link. Just click on this link, and you'll be taken to the again the form. Just enter your name and relationship number. Click upgrade, and let us handle all your bonuses, the entire snapshot set, including the community snapshot. Then I introduced the fourth option lately, and this is like the no-brainer. If let's say you don't want to upgrade right now, you can't take 30-day free. All these three options are exhausted, then all you need to do is just go to your AI employee and enter our referral code AI bonuses and click apply. Now let me remind you, if you click apply, it doesn't mean you have activated AI employee. You'll start getting or you will start getting charged. No, you would not be charged at all. When you use in the future, then the charge comes into the picture, and that too, like the charge is always profitable because your sub accounts are going to be paying on that front, paying extra, and the difference will be your profit. Well, that's a different story. Right now, just enter this and click apply, and that's it. You'll be eligible for all the snapshot. Imagine either you pay those thousands of dollars to get this community snapshot and other snapshot, or you can get this 127 snapshot list just by entering AI bonuses. Now let me just quickly show you, like some people don't actually, they will take time to navigate. So all you have to do is just click on the settings from your agency dashboard, then click on the AI employee. From here, AI employee, just click on manager offer, and just FP reference is equal to, just put in AI BONUSES, AI bonuses, and click on apply. That's it. You would not be charged. It doesn't mean that this is activated. It is just like before, just that you have entered the referral link. We are not getting any benefit for this unless until you use in the future the AI employee. So we just, as a promotional offer, we have introduced this, and you will be eligible. I mean, just email us quickly after that, abdullah@abdullahzai.com, so that we can quicken up the process. 127 snapshot set, which even include the community snapshot, coaching snapshot, plumbers, real estate, every all, you just name it, right? Super amazing snapshot. People love it. And of course, like with the AI employee, we have even introduced one more bonus, that in the future, if you land the client, the first client's onboarding will be on us. We are going to assign you free expert, Gohighlevel level expert, who is going to do the onboarding. But that's a different story. Like if you use it in the future, right now, just put this code, and that's it. The last but not the least is, let's say you cannot exercise all four options, these are exhausted for you, then scroll to the bottom on this page and you can just purchase the 127 snapshot set. Can you buy it individually? No, we are offering at a really cheap price. Like some people are charging, as I told you, $1,500 to $1,200 just for one snapshot. We are charging this entire 127 snapshot lot, which costs more than $14,000, at 98% discount. Literally, like this is like, we are not, forget about profiting. We are at a really, really loss. Just that we are doing one to many, so that's how like we can cover it. So you just pay one time cost of $347. Otherwise, like anything less than $5,000, you won't be paying anywhere for these many snapshots. And how do you pay it? Like this is the debit or credit card link. You just click enter and just pay it with your card, or via the PayPal, and right away you'll be able to download those snapshots set from the screen itself. And anyways, like any issues, any questions, like this is my WhatsApp, this is my email. You can connect with me anytime. Again, these are like interviews of this with the CEO and the co-founder. Now, by the way, guys, like if I have not disclosed yet, I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've been writing the blog articles from then. I've personally interviewed like the CEO and the co-founders, and like this is one another co-founder, super amazing people. They built one of the best products. That's why I'm actively promoting it. So again, I'll just repeat all the four ways. Number one is sign up for the 30-day free trial. Number two, upgrade to $297 plan. Number three, upgrade to $497 plan. All these three like option using these links. Just click on this link and do it, and you'll be eligible for it. The fourth option, just go to the AI employee settings manager offer, as I showed you, enter AI bonuses and click apply. Either of the four things, and you are going to get the entire bonus set snapshot. Or you can just make the one-time purchase and for the lifetime access through this debit or credit card details at the bottom of the link. Now let me just quickly come back to the snapshots. As you can see, this is the funnel which I showed you. There was the first page of the funnel where people are going to be seeing that, hey, you can get this, you can get this. They become your lead and they will be having set up your free account, do not waste. So this is the second step. Like the moment that they opt in, now you have the lead for the follow-up and stuff, and they can join the community. Click here to join the community. They can join the community here, and then for the additional CTA, direct book a call with them, watch a new training, a webinar. Let's say you have a webinar where you're making a sale or something. Literally at the second step of the funnel, you can do that. Or if you do not have, you can just remove it. You want to leave a review for the people, just put, hey, can you leave a review for us and stuff, whatever that you wish for. So this is like the funnel's beauty, as simple as it can get. Further, the workflows, I just showed you the automation part, just one of the automation part. Let's say, like, let me just open the appointments. If let's say appointment, and by the way, this is even the bot, they have even trained the bots which is going to reply on your behalf in this snapshot. Like, it's a really advanced one, you'd really love it. As you can see, free communities and appointment confirmation thing. Let us just open one more workflow just to see. Okay, let's say somebody free community appointment, somebody just booked, move opportunity to the book call, appointment confirmation email being sent, email another email being sent 24 hours later, and then 1 hour later, 10 minutes before. So all these things are happening automatically based on the action that the user take. The workflow is going to ensure that set of things already happen, which is supposed to happen. Now, let us just, okay, long-term nurture. How does it work? So basically, for the long-term nurture, basically is changed to abandoned. Let's say the user is abandoned. Email one, nurture email two, nurture email three. I mean, how does the email look like? Let us just try to see. So basically, this is the email. Ever heard of the classic marketing phase? And so basically, this is the nurturing also. You need to nurture, like, so basically squeezing the juice out of everything. I mean, whatever that you're supposed to do, system is going to do it on your behalf automatically based on the action being taken by the user. So all the possible workflows that you would need, and of course you can modify it, and you can just pause any of the workflow that you feel that, okay, these are not my type. But if you are looking for the community snapshot, this is the best one. I wish you guys all the best, and I hope you have all the options cleared. How can you get it? And I can't wait to give you all the bonuses. Thank you. Bye bye.